Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see 4 Excel tips which will be very useful for your day-to-day work. First tip is how to get the file name from this entire path. So if you look at here, it has given the full path of the file and there is a file name. So we want to extract only the file name from this. So what we can do is we select the data here, press Ctrl H and we'll search for star and hash. That means whatever behind this hash has to be replaced with nothing. That means it will replace everything up to the slash with nothing. So click on replace. Now we got only the file name here, only the file name without the extension. Again select the data, Ctrl H and we'll say dot and star with nothing. That means whatever is there after the dot, everything will be replaced with nothing. So I'll click on replace. So now we got only the file name. This is how you can easily extract the file name from the path. Now we will move on to the second tip. So this is the list of name. This has first name, second name, and some of them has a third name as well. So we want to just extract the first name and the second name. How we can do is we'll just type the first name here and again we'll type the first name. So as soon as you type, so this is going to give you the suggestion. Just press enter. If you don't get it here also, what you can do is you can select entire thing and press Ctrl E. So this is going to fill this exactly the pattern what is available in the first two data. Now we'll come to the second name. We'll type again the same technique, Adam and Angela. Here if you see, it is up to here it is fine, but if you come to the third one, this is second name is Sandra and third name is Ian, but what we want is the second names. So we need to type one more. We'll come here and we'll type Sandra and press enter. So now it is giving me the second name only. Here Wendy is the second name, Gregory is the second name, and here only two names are there. So the second name and the last name is same. So this is how you can extract the first name and the second name. Suppose if I want everything in capital letter or uppercase, we can just type BARR and here and press enter. So it understands that okay, we need that in capital letter or in the uppercase. So this is going to convert everything in the same patterns. This is how you can do it. So if it is not displaying this, you need to just select entire data and press Ctrl and E. So now we'll move on to the third tip. This is, suppose you have names like this. So here you have a lot of spaces and here you may have some spaces here as well. So if I select this many spaces and here something in the beginning and here in between at the end. So how we can clean this data is use the trim function. Trim and select this data and press enter and you can drag this data down. If it is at the middle of the data, then it will keep one space, or if it is at the end, then it will remove entire space from the data. So you can copy this and you can paste it as a value. So this will give us the final clean data. Here we have some dates here. These dates are probably we copied from website or some other system. Whenever we copy that, this may come in different format. Here there is a slash here, there is a, for the month it is written like APR for April, and here there is only 03, that is for March, and different, here is a hyphen and this is a slash and etc. So editing this manually will take a lot of time. If you have thousands of rows, it is not going to be easy to update it. In this case, we'll use the text to column function in Excel to convert to the proper date. We'll select the data, go to data menu, and here text to column. Here we'll just press next, and here also we'll press next. And when it comes here, so it is giving us, this is a date. So we'll say this is a day, month and year format, and instead of A1 we'll change it to maybe C1 just to compare it, and click on finish. So you can see all the data is converted here. If you want, you can change it to the default or some other format, maybe the short date or long date or whatever. So as you can see, this all converted properly with the number, or if it is a text or whatever, this converted properly. So this is how you can use existing functions in Excel to clean up your data very quickly. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notification on new videos. Thank you.